Hello everyone. In today's video I will share with you a question from one of my students. She asked that when she assembles the pattern in Optitex software, all the sizes have the sleeve multiplied by 2, but she wants to know if there's a way for just one size to have the sleeve multiplied by only 1. So what should we do now? I will make a video to answer this question for her and for you all to refer to. So you will do it like this. You will go to the view section. You will go to the piece list section, and at the this piece list here, yes, this piece list, you will scroll down to the section that you want to change. For example, this sleeve here, for these sizes, size S, size M, size L, size XL, they are all here multiplied by 2, right? The quantity is 2 for all of them. And now, let's say I want just one for size L, I want it to be 1 only, so I will type 1 here. There. So now you will click somewhere else, okay? You press enter. Now you will go back and reassemble this layout. Please note, for size L we have changed it to 1 already. Now you will reassemble this layout. So for this size L, it only has 1 sleeve. There you can see on the table, you will be able to see the quantity of these details. For the other sizes, they are all, there's one on this side and one on the other, but for size L there's only 1. I'll stop this layout to save time. For this size L, take a look right here. This is the sleeve for size L, right? This is size L, and this size L is the red one here. There, and you can see that there's only 1 sleeve in the red size. See, this red size only has 1 sleeve. So we have adjusted so that on a shirt how many pieces there are for each size, okay? I wish you all success in your practice.